Over here, Sam! Push forward to the tires! Sam, push up! Y'all might want to get out of the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna move. Well, we're gonna go stand over there and make sure they're...
Hey, they're dead! They're dead! Sam, push up! You dead? Yeah. You're dead.
Yeah.
You out of lives?
Yeah, but we're waiting for you to move.
Okay, are you dead?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. I don't know.
Actually died.
Sorry for the headshot.
We had lives left.
How does that work? Seriously?
No, we had lives left.
Y'all just said y'all didn't have no more lives.
No, we said we're spawning right here.
No, I seriously asked you, are y'all out of lives? Y'all said yes. Y'all have 3 lives. I just killed them off. Yeah, but look, you're respawning. I just killed 2 of them, and I also killed you.
And then
that's 3.
Respawn.
And we still have 3 more.
3 respawns.
How does that work? Y'all had 3 sticks left, right?
I hadn't even touched it yet. Now we just touched it.
How does that work?
They hadn't spawned in yet.
But what about y'all 2?
We're done.
You're done.
I'm not back in.
He was the first one back. We just walked up that
He
road.
spawned in behind you and shot you.
All right,
Oh, he's not shooting.
I'm dead. Dead man walking. That's me, it's me. I didn't tell you something.
For me?
Yeah, dude.
What?
I killed 3 of them, right? They had 3 sticks left, and one of them have to respawn. I don't know how that shit works, but oh well. Take 1 off, or take 2.
There's only 1 left.
I respawn. All right, we have no more respawns.
I'm good, then I'm out.
That's some serious bullshit, man.
That fucking dude with the boonie hat?
Yes, dude. I killed him, right?
He has another respawn?
I killed him, and I was at his base, right? And he's like, oh, I'm dead. And I asked him, are y'all out of respawns? They said, yes, we're out. Okay. And I went in, I killed the ref guy, and I killed the little kid. That's 2 more. So there's no more sticks after that. And he shoots me in the back.
That's bullshit.
Oh, I don't know. It's whatever. I gotta clarify. I may be wrong.
Seems like fucking straight up.
Hey, I'm gonna flank again. Left side, keep the draw fire. Fuck. Fucking stick. Got him! Kill! Move up on the left side! Push forward! What the hell? Come on. You too, Mag? You're not my friend. Staying put. Oh, fuck! God damn it! My bad! No! God damn it, my bad! Fuck! Is it over? Hey, it's over, we won!
Game!
Hey, stand right there! One shot in the back, I'll allow it. God damn, I feel like a dick. Good shit though.
Shooting, it was like gravity. Whoosh. Oh.
Glad we didn't open it.
Where'd I get you? What? The ref.
What?
Him. I got you. I got both of y'all. I hit you in the neck.
You got me right there?
I'm sorry.
It was more like right, yeah, it was right there, and then right here. It tingled.
Game over!
Bring it in, guys! Reload, rehydrate, we're gonna go out for another.